Well, okay, I hadn't been out crabbing at Doran since about 3 years ago, since I rolled in this boat. Decided to give it another shot.
Teeny tiny female. Hello, young lady. You got no chance. Go make some more.
All right, well, I'm in the camper. Getting ready to do some fishing tomorrow. See when the sun comes up. Okay, I'm in the taco, waiting in the line at Doran. Really, weather says it's 36 degrees out. Feels like 32, but the weather forecast is real nice. Up to close to 60 today and almost no wind. So it's a good day for kayak crabbing. Eating my mountain house, getting ready to roll. All right, we are headed out at Doran. Man, it's gonna be just a 2-trap day. It's been quite a while since I've been out here. Just want to see how it goes. All right, it's time for a pot pull. I can't wait any longer. Let's go see what we got. All right, it's just the same lonely red that was in here the first time I pulled it. All right, let's drag it. All right, finally got a dungie. I can hope it's a male. Come here. Yes! It's male all day. I measure him up. Yeah, there's all these little coves and everything around here in Doran I've never been up to. There's a Campbell Beach over here. This is Bodega Head. There's a little lake, I guess, called Hole in the Head up there. Never seen that either. Been here about 100 times, but crabbing is always the focus. Okay, that pull was a bust. Just a couple of, one red and one Dungeness, way undersized. So we'll keep at it. So we got another male Dungeness. This is on my pinky trap. Today's getting better all the time. All right, weather-wise, excellent day out here. No wind, sun is shining. Little incident over there. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fire. Somebody's camper or something burned down. Hope everyone's okay. Anyways, on my way in. Get back with you quick. All right, I'm on my way back in at Doran. Did okay. Give you the final wrap up in a bit. Yeah, I ended up with 5 nice sized crabs. At this point, 2 of them are already in the pot. But look at those dungies. Man, that was some good eating. I kept one nice big red too. Some big old claws on this guy. All right, it turned out to be a real good day at Doran. And coming up next, eating all the crab.